Dear students, today I have solved the 2.4 exercise, but I also want to solve the exercise number 2.5 so that you will do these questions of exercise number 2.5 also. In this exercise, we can compare the two numbers. These are in decimals, and here first of all we have to choose the 0.5 or 0.05. Now we will see here 0. At the unit place is 0 here, and in this number at the unit place is 0 also. After the decimal at 10th place 5 is here, at the 10th place 0. Therefore 5 is greater than 0. So 10th place is value of 10th place is greater than the value of 10th place of other number. So we can say 0.5 is greater than 0.5. Now 0.5, this is greater. Now another way we can solve it also. 0.5, another way, second method, and 0.5, or we can change into fraction or rational number, divide by 10, because decimal, after one place of decimal, then we can write this. There is, after two place of decimal, 5 upon 100. So we have to compare. It is the 10th part of 5. ये 10वां पार्ट है 5 का, और ये 10th पार्ट है, और ये वाला 100th पार्ट है. अब एक बच्चे को यदि 5 में से हम 100 पार्ट्स दें तो किसके ज्यादा हुए? ये 5 upon 10 ज्यादा हुआ, ग्रेटर हुआ. So we can also do this like this: 5 multiply 100 or 5 multiply 10, that is equal to 500 or 50. This is greater than, and we can write 0.5, and or this is greater than 0.05. So first question we have do like this, and we can do these questions in one method, by one method like that first, or second method you can apply any one of this method. Now we have come the third part of the question number 1, that is 7 or 0.7. 7 is at unit place. If we write this, we can write 7.0. It means it is at unit place, and here unit place is 0. The digit at the unit place is 0. So 7 is greater than the 0. That is, this is greater than this. 7 is greater than 0.7. Now we come on the question part number 6. Like this also, this is 0.8. Point after the 0 is unit place. In second number 0 is unit place here, and decimal, after decimal it is 10th place, it is 10th place, and here also 10th place is 8. Both are this. If we do not put this number, then both are same. Then we have to write 8 because it is 0.88. So it is greater than this number, because at 100 place is 100th place is 8. So we have to write 0.8 is smaller than 0.88. So I hope that you can do these questions of comparison of the two sums. Now we will come on second. We take second question of this exercise 2.6. Now, next question is expressed as rupees decimal. Express as rupees using decimals. Now 7 paise. Second question is that 7 paise. 7 पैसे को हमें रुपीस में कन्वर्ट करना है. नाउ वी कैन राइट हियर 100 पैसे. 100 पैसे इज इक्वल टू 1 rupees. 1 rupees. Then we can write, convert 7 paise into 100 into rupees. Then we have to divide by 100. 7 upon 100 is equal to, we will write here is 2 zeros in denominator, then decimal will be after 2 places of decimal. 0.07. 1 place, 2 place, 1 0, 2 0. Therefore, it will be the answer. Now, second part will be, we take 7 rupees, 77 rupees, 77 paise. Third part is this 77 rupees, 77 rupees and 77 paise. We want to convert into rupees, paise into rupees, then we will write 77 rupees same. So 77 rupees plus, we can write here plus 77 upon 100. Whenever we change rupee and paise into rupees, then we divide by 100. That is equal to 77 rupees plus 0.77 rupees. So we will write the answer 77.77 rupees. That is the answer. Now we will convert 5 centimeter into meter and kilometer. Now question number 3rd. We will take question number 3rd here. Question number 3rd. Express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. Then 5 centimeter, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, we will write. That is the answer, 5 centimeter, and 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. We know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So that is equal to, whenever we convert the centimeter into meter, we will divide by 100. Then 5 upon 100 meter, that will be equal to 5 centimeter. That is equal to 0.05 meter. 0.05 meter. Now we will convert meter into kilometer. Now 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Then whenever we convert meter into kilometer, then we will divide by 1000. 0.05 upon 1000. This will be किलोमीटर. अब ये किलोमीटर में चेंज हो गया. ये हमारा 0.05 मीटर था। अब इसको हम डिवाइड करेंगे 1000 से, तो डेसिमल 3 प्लेस और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आ जाएगा। यहाँ पर 1 2 3 4 5 प्लेस, इट मीन्स 0.00005 kilometer. That will be the answer. Now we will come on question number 4, express in kilogram. ग्राम में गिवन है हमको क्वेश्चन। नाउ वी विल एक्सप्रेस इन किलोग्राम। हमें क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है एक्सप्रेस इन किलोग्राम, in kilogram. Like that, 3 4 second part is, we take second part, 3470 gram. Now 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Then we will divide by 1000, 3470 upon 1000. This is equal to 3470 gram is equal to, that is equal to decimal 1 2 3 places of decimal after 3.470. It means this kilogram, because in denominator there are 3 zeros, then decimal will come 1 2 3, after 3.3 4, after 4 it means 3.470. Now question is 5. We will take fifth question. Fifth question is that write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. 5 question है, write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. हम इसको एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में लिखेंगे। हमें दिया हुआ है, गिवन है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट 20.03, देन दिस इज विल बी इक्वल टू, वी विल राइट 20 प्लस 0 प्लस 3, इट मीन्स पॉइंट को 0 अपॉन 10 plus 3 upon 10, 3 upon 100 here, because decimal after 3 1 2 place, that will be 100th place after 2 20 will be right, we will write 20 10 multiplied 2 plus 0 upon 10 plus 3 upon 100. So we will take next question 202.034, that is the question number, इसका पार्ट है 4, 2.3034. We will write here in expanded form, 2 is at the unit place plus 0 is 10th place, so 0 upon 10, 3 is 100th place, 3 upon 100, 4 is 1000 place, 4 upon 1000. So that will be the answer in expanded form. Write the following next 6 question. Write the place value 2 in following decimal numbers. हमें प्लेस वैल्यू हमें लिखनी है इनकी नंबर्स की। तो प्लेस वैल्यू देखिए कैसे हम लिखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर दिया हुआ है 6 क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, राइट द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 इन डेसिमल। 2 की हमें प्लेस वैल्यू लिखनी है। वी टेक फर्स्ट पार्ट 2.56, दैट इज इक्वल टू प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2, it means it is at unit place, so place value is equal to 2. Place value of 2 is 2, because 2 is at unit place. Now in another question part we will take second question 21.37. In this part, we will write the place value of 2. Then place value of 2 is equal to, we can write here 2 के नीचे हमें 2 लिखना है, डेसिमल से पहले यूनिट प्लेस के नीचे 0 लिखना है, तो दैट विल बी 20. प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 is 20 in this part. Now fifth part of this question. 63 फिफ्थ पार्ट है हमारा 63.352. प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 is equal to, we will write 1 after 10th place, 100th place and 1000th place. It means 2 upon 1000. Place value is 2 upon thousands, that is 2000s. That will be equal to. Now we take 8th question. How much less this? Shyam bought, next question is 8. Shyam bought 8 question. Shyam bought 5 kilogram 3 gram apples and 3 kilogram 250 gram mangoes. Shyam bought 5 kilogram apples. Shyam bought apples is equal to, how much apples? 5 kilogram 300 gram. Now and 3 kilogram 250 gram mangoes. Shyam bought 'mangoes' is equal to 3 kilogram 250 gram. And सरला bought, now श्याम ने कितना खरीदा टोटल फ्रूट bought by श्याम, total fruit bought by श्याम is equal to, we will add here 0.55 gram and kilogram is 8 kilogram 550 gram. Now Sarla bought 4 kilogram. Sarla bought 4 इतने oranges is equal to 4 kilogram 800 gram. Now and 4 kilogram 150 gram bananas. And bananas how much? Is equal to 4 kilogram 150 gram. Total fruit bought by Sarla, that is equal to, we will add 0.5950 kilogram here 8. Now 8 kilogram 950 gram. And who bought more fruits? Now Sarla bought 8 kilogram 950. Sarla bought more fruit. Now that is the answer. Last question is this: how much less is 20 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? how much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? We will write 9 question 42.6 kilometer and 28 kilometer. We will subtract here. From this we will get, we put 0 here, 6 and 12, 4 and here will be 14.6 kilometer. So students, I hope that you have understand and you will do both the exercise today. Okay, and tomorrow I will take your class 7th of mathematics. Thanking you.